Hi, it's Colin McIntyre. A very quick video, another funnel franchise success tip if you like. What I'm showing you now is where you use RedTrack as your tracking software. If you've got a campaign from Bing through to an offer in ClickBank and you want to capture emails and your opt-in page was actually created in the Conversion Pros. And I'm just going to show you very quickly where you capture the code. Now in this case I'm using GetResponse as my autoresponder. So for any opt-in page or landing page that you're going to use with RedTrack, you need to add two pieces of code. One, if you want to capture your landing page views, and the other is if you want to track your landing page clicks, and I couldn't imagine any time you wouldn't. As I've said on previous videos, that's your standard domain that you'll get when you open an account here, and you can replace those with a custom domain, which when you see my specific code on the page is what I've done. What is important in RedTrack is if you use a custom domain in your campaign settings, then you use the same domain in your landing page settings. But two pieces of code, so landing page view code or script, and then the click URL is what you need to add into your pages. So in Conversion Pros, the Conversion Pros landing pages, there are two things that you need to do. So first of all, you need to, once you've drafted a page, copy the link, which is that one there, and that's what gets added in here when you're creating your lander, a new lander in RedTrack. Okay, the next thing, and I'll just show you this because it's a bit unusual how this is done. To link to GetResponse, you need to go to Contact Manager, import contacts. Even though we're not going to import contacts, we're going to export contacts, but it's under the menu import contacts, and then you get your setup. Okay, so if I go to GetResponse, I'm actually set up, but normally if you come to set it up for the first time, you have a green button there which says authorize GetResponse. It takes you into your GetResponse account at the API menu. And you can just copy an existing API if you have one, or you can create an API specifically for the Conversion Pros, paste in that API code and return, and everything's set up. Once you've done that, that means that your GetResponse information is available in your page that you're building. Okay, if I now go to the page, which I would do by selecting Page Builder and clicking Edit Page. In fact, let's do that. So what I'm talking about is a free book, so an opt-in where I deliver a free book, and I'm going to edit. Okay, so the first thing is very easy. Where do I put the landing page view script? So that's under Advanced Settings, Tracking Code, and what I found is this is the head and this is the footer or header, and what I found is it works in the header. So that's the code from RedTrack. I say in this case it's my custom domain rather than the one you saw when I was in RedTrack, and you just save that. So that's dead easy. And the second piece is very easy as well. So when you're working with the Conversion Pros, you go to the item you want to edit, which is that one. I go to Edit Content. I want full name and email, so I select that, and that's where I track in. That's where I add the tracking URL and save. And what I have here as an option is the GetResponse list, because I've connected to GetResponse. That's now available, and what I do is I just select the right list, and that's the right one. So really simple. easy to set up once you can connect to GetResponse, which is a little bit different than most platforms. Okay, so that was a very quick video showing you where you install your RedTrack tracking code onto a page, an opt-in page that's been created by the Conversion Pros platform. So it was showing you how you can use a Bing advertising through an opt-in page, capturing emails into GetResponse, and then onto the offer. All the way through, RedTrack is tracking the ad, all the keywords, everything you're interested in, right through to conversions. Now, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel below. I'm shooting lots of these short videos with tips, and the more people that see them and find them useful, the happier I'll be. Please comment on any if there's anything that you would like me to cover. The second thing is, if you think RedTrack is easy to use, and I've just shown you it's very easy to install onto a landing page or an opt-in page, then in the description I'll have a link where you can buy it. So it's a low-cost tracking software that's easy to work with. Until the next video, it's bye-bye for now.